Solved. How to fix Steam is having trouble connecting to the Steam servers on Windows. Fix 1. Check Steam server status. Fix 2. Restart. Your network devices, such as home router. Fix 3. Update your network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 4. Flush DNS, WinSock, and renew your IP. Commands include IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew netshare int IP reset netshare WinSock reset. Fix 5. Try the given troubleshooting tips in the Steam error message. Fix 6. Add TCP into Steam properties. Fix 7. Allow Steam through Windows firewall. Like this. Fix 6. Add TCP into Steam properties. Fix 7. Allow Steam through Windows firewall. Like this.